their helmet. We have water all over the place down here.
Water all over our heads. That's right. We sent one of our photographers out to do the dirty, wet work and get video of the rain across the area. Downtown Salt Lake, yep.
Nice.
Yeah, it's kind of peaceful. You know, we didn't have all the lightning that we saw at 10 o'clock last night. Tonight was just those rain showers, but hey, if you had to walk in it, unless you had an umbrella, these guys did. They were prepared. You know, it could be a little bit of a frustrating event. Ladies there putting the shopping bags over their head, new clothes getting wet. Okay, so here's what's going on the radar. It's a lot quieter now, and I'm happy to say that. We'll zoom into central portion of northern Utah, Wasatch Front. Still seeing a few showers out there, but the lightning count has gone down. That's good news. And for the most part, you can see this kind of beginning to collapse a little bit on itself. We're seeing another active storm, though, coming in from Wendover, and this storm is moving towards the north-northeast, so crossing the Salt Flats and potentially moving up towards the lakeside area over the next couple hours if it sticks together. But this is a pretty strong one. And another cell that's kind of kicked up within the last hour or two is a cell towards Moab. We'll put it into motion, moving towards the south. So this is going a different direction. And I'll show you why that is, why some storms are going one way, the other storms are going another. But overall, we're heading into a quieter evening and a quieter start to your Wednesday morning. Now let's talk a little bit about rain totals today. Big rain totals. In fact, these are some of the bigger ones that I've seen recently with the storms. Over an inch in Alpine, Salt Lake City close to that, close to an inch in Sandy. These were all storms moved through within about an hour's time frame, so producing a lot of heavy rainfall. Cedar City picked up almost 3/4 of an inch and just about a half an inch in Bryan Head. So everywhere across the state, depending on where you are, this is what you saw. Yeah, big storms coming in on our KSL Weather Network time lapse. Yep, getting a little wet, a little windy, and some lightning associated with these storms too. Temperatures now 71 degrees. They've cooled down a bit, and they should stay in the low 70s heading into tonight and starting your Wednesday morning. By midday tomorrow, 88 degrees. By tomorrow afternoon, back to the mid-90s. Oh, that's one of the ingredients for storms. So for tomorrow, just like today, we have the ingredients in place. The moist air mass, warm temperatures back in the mid-90s, and then we have that lift in the atmosphere. Those are three important ingredients for getting thunderstorms up and going, and that's exactly what we saw on satellite radar earlier today. Around midday, it started lifting. The atmosphere has a couple systems, one off to our east and then one out to the west, all creating lift in the atmosphere and sort of driving these weather systems. So remember this one in Moab kind of going towards the south? Yep, following the low pressure center. But with this still in place for tomorrow, this is what we're expecting. Scattered showers kind of quiet down through tonight. Should be a mild start to your Wednesday morning. But boom, by tomorrow afternoon, back in the area. And this is going to be the case again for Wednesday. So rain chances along southern Utah up towards the central Utah mountains and Uinta Mountains. 40% chance for more scattered thunderstorms, just like what we saw today. Heavy rain producers. And a 30% chance statewide after that. So anywhere around those areas, again, picking up a good chance for rain. Temperatures overnight tonight, 60s and 70s across central and northern Utah. Tomorrow afternoon, well, we're still going to warm up. Again, one of the ingredients to get storms going, and temperatures are going to continue to be very warm. In eastern Utah as well, we're looking for the 90s. Thunderstorms back in play. Heavy rain producers anywhere from 1/4 of an inch up to a full inch per hour as they move through. Around central Utah, 50s overnight tonight, but then warming to the upper 80s, low 90s. St. George up to 101 for the high. We'll be at 104 on Thursday. Rain stays in the forecast all the way through Saturday for Dixie before we try to bring in some drier air. For the northern forecast along the Wasatch Front overnight tonight, quieter conditions. You should get off to partly cloudy skies tomorrow morning. It'll still feel a little humid with all that moisture still in place. And tomorrow afternoon, those temperatures zoom back up to the mid-90s. It will feel hot, and then we'll see the thunderstorms begin to pop by tomorrow afternoon and evening, staying in the forecast through Thursday into Friday. Finally, guys, for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, in the lower 100s and a drier forecast. And of course, you can join Grant Wayman tomorrow morning from 5 to 7 a.m. He'll have the latest weather for you and, of course, tell you what to expect. More storms.
Yeah, it sounds like those areas in Alpine and the burn scar areas still have a little bit of pressure on, given this coming rain.
Oh, yeah. If we add more to that tomorrow, expect more trouble.
All right. Thanks, Lynae.
Tom?